In this viral dashboard evolution review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to drive unlimited traffic from all the social media channels to your e-com stores, blogs, videos, and more, all from a single dashboard. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on all of them by getting a bundle. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Viral Dashboard Evolution, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at Viral Dashboard Evolution sales page together. It says, start your own social media marketing and management agency today. Create, schedule, and publish your content to your Facebook pages, groups, Instagram, Google My Business, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Twitter accounts. Drive unlimited free traffic to your e-com stores, video platforms, and blog channels from all social media channels using a single dashboard. First of its kind, 2021, ready social media management platform, explodes traffic, yada, yada, yada. So essentially what this is it's a way of driving traffic using the power of social media in a way that's not going to take a ton of time for you to do it. You can find, create, and share your content for massive traffic, make your content go viral, a built-in library of stunning videos, images, and assets. You can drive unlimited traffic, beginner friendly, and if you're paying other people to do this already, you're spending a lot of time doing it. It's going to save you a ton of time. Step 1, you browse content. Step 2, choose your accounts, and then 1, click share with this. It's got some other stuff here, some examples. I'm going to go through. It says you could do it. You could hire someone to do this for you, but it can cost upwards of $5,000-$6,000 to pay someone to run your social media campaigns for you. And you've got everything in one dashboard. It's got your Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, LinkedIn, all these different things all in one place. You browse and discover your content, create and customize, schedule, and publish your content all from one dashboard. This is for marketers, business owners, agencies, social media marketers, e-com sellers, etc., etc. Anyone that's doing any kind of marketing online that wants to get free traffic. Let's get your social media, RSS feeds, e-com stores, video platforms, WordPress blogs, discover and share content, article curation, all these different tools all in one place here. And I'm not going to go through everything here, but if you compare this to other tools out there that do similar things like Hootsuite, Crowdfire, Sprout Social, Buffer, these ones are monthly, and this one right here, Viral Dashboard Evolution, is a one-time price for up to 50 profiles here with all these different features included on the front end offer. If you purchase this through the launch, during the launch period, you can get it for a very low one-time price, and you get all these different features. There's a personal license and a commercial. The commercial is going to have a bunch of extra features for just a little bit more here. So what I'm going to do now, show you a video explaining this a little bit more, then I'll be back to show you the back-end area, all the OTOs, and the big bundle discount that's going to allow you to get everything at a discounted price.
Hey, David here, and I just want to share something very special with you that's going to help you not just survive, but rather grow your profits in 2022. Now, we know that the last 2 years turned out to be 2 of the worst years for many businesses that struggle to make ends meet. With mounting rentals, many even had to completely close their shops. There were mass layoffs too, a trend which continues till date. All this has set 2 very important trends in motion that present a big opportunity for social media marketers and agencies. The number 1 trend is people are spending a lot more time on social media. With most of them forced to stay home, social media activity has seen an unprecedented increase. The second trend is during the pandemic, businesses have started promoting their products and services more aggressively on social media. With new businesses moving online, the social media space is overcrowded, with customers being literally bombed with promotions and offers 24/7. With customers stuck inside their homes, businesses saw that the only way to connect with their customers now was via social media. Even before the pandemic, businesses were running promotions on social media, but the lockdowns have changed everything overnight. The kind of growth in the use of social media that was projected by 2025 in trend research by some of the biggest studies, it's already here. Big brands seized this opportunity and even started trends that got them some incredible incredible results, like Budweiser continue to earn through their social media campaign Save Pub Life to buy a gift card now and spend later at their local pub. Krispy Kreme launched hashtag Be Sweet Saturdays on their Instagram to remind their patrons to be kind and share a free dozen donuts with their neighbors on the purchase of a dozen. Nike's commitment to social distancing on their social media with the stay inside, play for the world approach painted them in a positive light when compared to Adidas' reluctance to close brick-and-mortar stores. Unfortunately, the pandemic is far from over, and it's still not too late for you to start doing a little extra to not just survive, rather grow your business even in these tough times. And we have built the perfect tool to do just that. Introducing Viral Dashboard Evolution, the ultimate one-stop dashboard for social media management. You can now easily find, create, and share all your content for massive traffic, engagement, and sales. Create and syndicate content in just 60 seconds a day. Discover the best content across videos, articles, GIFs, memes, images, quotes in one place, all by just entering a keyword. That's right, Viral Dashboard lets you explode your content marketing results in just 60 seconds a day and get more eyeballs for your products, so you make more sales. Beta users saw amazing results within a couple of days, building and growing stronger relationships on social by starting conversations around their brands, products, and services. If you're looking to increase your traffic to your sites, blogs, products, and services, you must establish your brand as an authority publishing engaging content and keep appearing in your audience newsfeed every single day. Studies show that your prospects need to see your brand's message 7 times before they make any purchase from you. Viral Dashboard helps you do that effortlessly using a single dashboard. Share your content across all social media platforms, video channels, e-com stores, and blogs with point-and-click simplicity. There's nothing like this in the market today. Not just finding and sharing content, Viral Dashboard also helps you to repurpose content and make it look unique. Use Viral Dashboard to enhance your social posts with multimedia assets, store, edit, publish images and videos from a centralized library, and even track relevant metrics to measure content performance across networks. Use hashtags inside Viral Dashboard to increase your reach, get more followers on your social media profiles, and make your content go wildly viral, all with just a few clicks in just 60 seconds every day. There's a demo video on the page below showing you how easy it is to completely automate your social media marketing using Viral Dashboard. You need no special skills, no learning curve. Even if you have zero experience in social media marketing, Viral Dashboard will make you an expert right on day one. People across different niches are seeing massive success using Viral Dashboard. Marketers and business owners are using it to discover, publish, automate, and analyze social media content. They're able to spend less time with manual tasks and more time giving their audience what they want: transparent, authentic, and personalized experiences. Agencies are now able to officially manage all social media channels from a single platform. E-com sellers are using it to sell their products on social media, schedule product updates, product listings. Brands are using it to connect better with their audience and tell their brand's mission and share stories. Digital product sellers are easily creating a strong buzz all over social media about their upcoming launches from a single dashboard. Affiliate marketers, coaches, consultants, you name it. The list goes on and on. If you're running a business in 2022, online or even offline, Viral Dashboard is crucial to your success. We have got real-life examples as proof on this page below this video. We timed the release of Viral Dashboard to perfectly match today's needs. It's time for you to do the same and time your purchase perfectly as well. Now, for the first 24 hours only, you'll get several powerful bonuses with your access, including the commercial license. To ensure your success, we've also included step-by-step training to take your results to the very next level. You'll see all the details below, but act fast. The price is the lowest you have ever seen to get access to everything. You need to take advantage right now. The clock's ticking and time is running out on this exclusive offer. After the launch week is over, you'll never see Viral Dashboard offered for such a low one-time investment again. It's going up to $97 per month, which is still an incredibly great deal, but doesn't come close to the steal we are offering you today. But the real reason to act now isn't just about saving a few bucks. It's much bigger than that. You see, getting in on these latest social platforms when the world is confined inside their homes will put you on the fast track to success. But there is a very narrow window and it's closing fast. As more and more marketers figure out what's happening, supply will eventually balance out the demand, and your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity will disappear forever. You won't find another opportunity that even comes close to Viral Dashboard at any price. You're also covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee. There is absolutely no risk for you. Click the buy button below to get instant access right now, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside.
Okay, so this is the dashboard that you're going to have access to after you purchase, and then you've got a bunch of different upgrades. So the first one here, it says put your social media management on complete autopilot and automate 30 days of content. So if you want to go and have these automation triggers that you can add into this and really automate your social media marketing, you can get this one right here. This one's going to be a $67 one-time price. Next one here says 10 times your viral dashboard evolution results using deep analytics, easy engagement tracking, and monitoring here. So this is more features that you can add on to this one. That's 67. Next one here is get instant access to 23,000 done for you social media kits, templates, and graphics. So you can add that in for 37. And then there's an agency license. So you can actually have a reseller edition with this. You get full agency resale rights. You can actually sell this as a product here, as a service. You can add client accounts into it, so you can have them manage their own accounts, etc. with this. And there's different licenses here. The elite one is $397, and that gets you 500 clients here. Now, you can get all of this, and I'm going to have a link below. Whether you're watching this on YouTube or if you're watching this on MikeForMaine.com, there's going to be a link below for a bundle link. And this is the bundle. So what you can do, instead of going through the sales funnel and getting things one by one, you can get everything all together. And what happens there is you get a big discount on it. You get all these different things here, all added up, all together. And it's the best value. You can get everything here for a one-time price of $297 here, which is a huge discount on everything. If you want to get the bundle here, you get all the different other things here, all the different agency rights and everything here added in for a low one-time price for this. Again, this is for people that know that they're going to get some of the OTOs. It's going to make more sense to get it like this. But again, all the OTOs are optional. If you just want to get the front end product, that's fine, or you can opt in for the bundle deal. So what do I like about viral dashboard evolution and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I mean, with these kind of things, you will have to put some effort into learning how to use the software in the beginning. I recommend going through the tutorials. This is a very powerful software, but with power comes a little bit of complication. So you will need to go and set everything up initially to make sure that everything starts working. What do I like about this? If you're someone that's doing this manually right now and you're trying to manage all these different things and social media accounts and sharing, or if you're paying someone to do this, this could be a software that could help you out, especially if you're paying even for things like Hootsuite. You can save a lot of money on monthly fees by paying a one-time price. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Viral Dashboard Evolution, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.